Hey, I was more interested in the audio features of the LG V20 smartphone than I actually was the video. I think it shoots great video with good stabilization. I'm just holding this with my hand right now, no tripod, and the phone is about a foot from my face. It has good bass response if you're listening to this with headphones or nice speakers. You can really tell the clarity and the treble and the mid-range as well. The phone has three microphones positioned on it and all sorts of customization. I've increased the gain just a little bit to make sure everything's clear without clipping. I don't have the low cut filter set to anything, so it's zero. And yeah, so this is an indoor test, so it's pretty easy. When I go outside, I'll turn on the windscreen feature that this has. You can see if that makes any difference. We have a little bit of wind today, but it's not too bad, so we'll check that out. Okay, so outdoors with mild gusts, and again the phone is about a foot from my face. Uh, you're still going to pick up some wind noise. I don't think they can. Wow, something's happening with the birds. Never mind. So yeah, just walking around, you can hear some wind. You could hear some really angry birds. I might have to go back inside because I'm kind of fearing my life here. Okay, that's really weird. Anyway, thanks for interrupting my test, but I guess if you're interested in bird noises, that's a good recording of that. Yeah. So, this is my review of the LG V20 audio specifically, which may be kind of weird that that's what I'm focusing on, but hey, that's me.